Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable with Innerscapes Art Studios. I'm getting ready to pour a painting, and I thought that I would let you know that we are in a power outage. I was uploading the other morning and everything went out. Boom, nothing. In one moment, nothing. No internet, no Wi-Fi, no heat, no AC, no hot water, no refrigerator, no laundry. Oh my goodness. It is amazing to me how much of my comfort is derived from the juice in those little sockets. My life does not depend upon it, but my comfort does. So this is a mandatory digital detox, and it's enjoyable actually. And the air is beautiful, the sky is beautiful, the life is great, except I miss you. I miss my connection with the YouTubers. I miss my expression in video. I hope to upload again next week. We do not know how long this is going to go on for. So I hope you are well. I'm saying hello. How are you? I hope things are great. And perhaps I will see you as soon as next week. Okay, take care. Well, sooner. It's 3 days later, and I'm getting to finally post this video. I poured this as a single flip cup demo at Nimbus Art Studios for a small class last week. It is my single cup Halloween colors miasma. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your views, your likes, your comments. And I am so glad you're watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.